Go to coffee shop. Once upon a time, in the heart of a bustling college town in the USA, there lived a young girl named Maya. She was an international student, far from her homeland, eager to explore this new world and its myriad customs. One fine morning, with her classes not scheduled until later in the day, Maya decided to embark on a small adventure, a visit to the local coffee shop. Maya had never really been a coffee drinker. Back home, her mornings were greeted with the aroma of herbal tea, not the robust scent of roasted coffee beans. But in the States, it seemed like everyone had a coffee cup in their hands. Intrigued and a bit nervous, she pushed open the door of the coffee shop, a cozy little haven that her classmates raved about. The bell above the door chimed her arrival, announcing her presence in the warm, dimly lit shop. The air was a blend of jazz music and the rich, bold scent of coffee. Rows of mugs lined the walls, each telling its own silent story. Maya felt a wave of intimidation as she approached the counter. The menu was an intricate tapestry of words that seemed to dance and twirl in her mind: espresso, latte, cappuccino, americano. It was a language she did not speak. Sensing her hesitation, a kind-faced barista with a warm smile approached her. "First time here?" he asked gently. Maya nodded, her eyes wide and curious. "Yes, and I don't really know much about coffee, but I'd like to try." The barista's smile widened. "You've come to the right place. Tell me, what do you usually enjoy? Do you like your drink strong or mild, sweet or bold?" Maya thought for a moment. "Back home, I enjoy tea. Something not too strong, maybe a bit creamy?" "A latte might be perfect for you," the barista suggested. "It's espresso with steamed milk, quite mild and smooth. Or if you want something even creamier, a cappuccino has more foam and a sprinkle of chocolate on top." Maya's eyes lit up at the mention of chocolate. "A cappuccino sounds wonderful," she said, her voice a mix of excitement and nervousness. As the barista prepared her drink, Maya watched in fascination. The coffee machine hissed and steamed like a gentle dragon, crafting her drink with care. When the barista handed her the warm cup, with the foam artfully swirled on top, Maya felt a sense of belonging. Here she was, thousands of miles from home, about to sip her first coffee in a land that was slowly becoming her own. Taking a cautious sip, the warmth of the coffee seemed to chase away her worries. The taste was new, bold, and somehow comforting. She realized that this was more than just a cup of coffee. It was a bridge between her past and her future, a blend of her heritage and the new experiences that lay ahead. "Thank you," she said to the barista, her heart swelling with gratitude. "This is more than just coffee to me." The barista nodded understandingly. "Sometimes it's the simple things that mean the most. Enjoy your cappuccino, and welcome to your new adventure." With newfound confidence, Maya stepped out of the coffee shop, her cappuccino a warm companion in her hand, ready to embrace her new life, one sip at a time.